Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download ARC radios on Xbox. First, open the Xbox Store. Navigate to the Store app from your Xbox home screen. Search for the game. Use the search function and type in ARC radios. Next, purchase the game. Select the game from the results. You will typically see two versions, the standard edition for approximately $39.99 or the deluxe version for $59.99. Install. After completing the purchase, select Install or Get. The game file is roughly 33 gigabytes. Multiplayer requirements. Since this is an online PvE extraction studio, you must have an active Xbox Game Pass Core or Ultimate subscription to play. Some additional information. Availability. The game is exclusively for Xbox Series XS and is not available on Xbox One. Current content. If you are playing in late January 2026, the game is in its headwinds phase of the 2026 roadmap, which includes regular monthly content updates. Crossplay is enabled by default, allowing you to play with users on PC and PS5. You'll be prompted to link or create an Embark ID upon first launch to manage your progression. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.